Unforgettable moment. When I was in elementary school, where my father left and did not return. When my father left, I had to separate from my mother, and live in a new environment with new people. I who was still in elementary school had a very hard time adapting to environment. I lived and was raised by people who were not very close to me. Of course, it was very sad when I was away from my mother. I lost my father and I was raised by other people. As time went on, I began to understand the situation I was in right now. When I live in a new environment, many miracles happened in my life, and it was all a process from God. When I live with the new person I mentioned above, now she is my mother. She's very kind, really take care of me with all her heart. I can even go to school in Jakarta because of her. She has become my parent. The first time I lived with her, there was a feeling of fear and I didn't want to live with her at all. But now I am very happy to know someone like her and very grateful to have a mother who continues to support and encourage me to become a successful person in God. In my mind, when my father left and my life changed drastically, there were many things that became hard and worry. But as time goes by, everything can be passed. Who used to hope that they cannot walk if he is not there? It turns out to be wrong. The experience at the time will never be forgotten. Even though now living with mom, my father will still be a good role and model for me. That brave experience he had was the most beautiful part I have ever experienced and lived in my life. Thank you.